We cook our bacon. Got these plates preheated, like I said. We're going right back into the microwave. Be right back. Bacon's looking good. Beautiful, even. Right back on with these burgers. Plate on. Be right back. Burger off to rest. Onions on here. Get that cheese melted. All right, now we got the onions. Look at the color on that. We're gonna get the bun right in here as well. Basically just been like steamed, just softer now. That lid right back on there. Burgers. Boom. Sure that that is, yes. Beautiful and runny. In the microwave. Looking on this. 145. Wow, that is amazing. All with this little contraption. If you are cooking for yourself, take the time. Do all the little steps. Make yourself a really nice burger. If you ever need any help, I am always here for you. Cheers.